What is it? I the youngest lad. Johnny, them can't stand with. Vendetta, the struggle only make you better. Them write we off like a letter, but we still a trendsetter. The pain and the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, nothing I do on me lad. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you put a nothing in blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Shut me night for me laugh. All of me life experiences, things when me go through for real, then me up on the top. Why say them bad? Bad wine I'm dead. Me not the time to chase me, shoot it out with them. I say me love the girl, man, I'm this is sexy.
Hi guys, good morning. My car is still there. Good. So this morning is the morning after August breeze. I got up and I was talking to Roxy all morning and stuff. I just took a shower. Again, Chris is not here. Chris went to the location to start clean up and stuff. So I just finished taking a shower and I'm about to go there because I need to bring back some stuff that I took from my friend. I need to go bring back the liquor table and stuff. I don't want to tell you guys. So yeah, that's what's going on. The party, the party was good. Like I really liked the turnout or whatever. Can't be too greedy and stuff like that. And the way how my community is running, the shit, I'm not dropping everything. It was a good turnout. So yeah. Hold on, I keep dropping stuff. So, oh shit, I didn't even do the face mask. But yeah, let me brush up my eyebrows. I need to go get breakfast. I'm hungry. Literally, I'm hungry. But guys, like last night I had to change the outfit that I bought to wear to my party. I had to change because I didn't like it at last minute. I mean, I just wear it there for a couple minutes, and I like my picture person, he was there earlier, but he had left. And as soon as I changed, guys, like he freaking came, and I was so freaking annoyed, like really so annoyed. But I only took a picture with Chris where I'm gonna insert it in the last vlog. I don't need that purse. Where is my car key? Where's my car key? It's right here. Do I need anything else? Nothing else. Let me put something on my lip. Oh, my ring. You ever just leave in the house and then you're like, what am I leaving? Like you just know that you're leaving something because your body telling you, bitch, slow the fuck down. You're left in something that you really need. Lip balm. So yeah, I had fun and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm hungry as hell. Like after the party, there was a little soup left. But just shake out that. Shake that out. So I have that. Whiskey. Garbage. That's garbage. Garbage. So yeah. Oh shit, that surprise is still wet. May I tell you no say? There's no fun when I don't use a tripod. Yo, that's crazy fun when I don't use that tripod. My car needs to be washed. My car needs to be washed. tripod here? I don't think so. Let me see if no, I'm not gonna go back inside. It's not good for thermal. So I'm gonna go by the location and then like see what they need help cleaning up with, and then I didn't put on no perfume, and then I will check back in. Okay, my face look big, but okay. Anthony, ask me a question again.
You had a wig on last night, or you braided your hair this morning?
What you think?
I think you had a wig on. It was a wig?
No, that was my hair.
A lot of chicks wear wigs nowadays. I can't even tell the difference.
Yo.
Nah, they really do wear wigs though. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Got the front too.
Zud, what is...
How much one of them shits cost though?
It depends. It really depends.
I think I'm gonna get frontal dreads. No, I'm serious.
Why you gonna get frontal dreads? Yo, I look bald,
My
bro.
hair not growing fast enough.
You and Bree gonna get dreads?
Bruh.
That's goals.
That's goals?
Mm-hmm.
Goal! Like the World Series. That's what it's called, right? The World Cup.
We got World Cup, what do you call it?
Premier League.
Mm-hmm. And then, I don't know the others. Did you have fun last night?
Mm-hmm.
The party was lit?
Yeah, Chris had this shit turned up. Always though.
Bro, you know, I told you he was sick.
Who, Chris?
You remember one of the time he went missing?
Mm-hmm.
He was frost. Chris was frost, bro. And he went and locked himself in the car. And I kept going over there to wake him up. It's the most, like, guys, I didn't snap that much because I have to keep leaving the party to go wake up Chris.
Damn.
Yeah, because you realize all the Jeff Frost songs, like, I don't have no snaps of Jeff Frost songs. While they were having fun, I was waking up Chris, trying to get more ice, trying to get change.
Oh, yeah, the ice.
Yeah. I don't know how the ice ran out again. I just feel like because they have put the igloo on top of the thing, so it's like people take way more than what
they should have.
Yeah. So I think that's why. Because the last time I bought like mad ice, can you remember when I came?
Mm.
I bought like mad ice.
Yeah, that's facts.
But guys, we're just
so
chilling.
So we're gonna do part 2 next year.
He
dude
just
was like, we're gonna put a pool in the middle of the thing.
Pool in where?
In the middle of the party.
Who said that?
One of the dudes. I forgot his name.
Everyone,
He was like, "Oh, make sure you come back next year. Next year we're gonna have a pool."
How he know that?
That's what he said.
I don't
That's
know
when like right after he was like, "Oh, party done." And he was explaining about the cops and they give you extra time and stuff like that.
There was no cops there.
That's what he said. He said the cops told you
You
to shut it down because
see-
they had the permit until 10 or something.
What?
That's what the dude said, man.
We didn't have.
He said that on the microphone when he shut it down at what was it, 3:45 or 2:45?
We didn't have any permit. You know, you see the guy that was cursing? You see the man that was cursing at the next guy after? And he was like, "Oh, you think you're a bad man, but me a bad man," or whatever?
Yeah.
Like, he's a cop. That's his house that you were standing in. Yeah, that's his house. So, because, like, I think he's a sergeant or something like that. So it's like, good. Yeah, because he was supposed to go to work last time, but he didn't. He stayed. So if the cops, that's why no cops didn't come at all. Because normally the cops would have, passed through or something. I realized no cops came at all.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So, but I don't know, like, where people get that from. So that's why, well, when I came, that's why Chris had, the reason why he changed location or whatever. Yeah. I was like, next time you just have to, like, explain yourself better. Like,
explain to people.
Yeah.
But it was still a good turnout, though.
Yeah. There was mad people there.
Yeah.
There was, because even, like, I know you didn't leave the lawn, but, like, when, like, you go on the street, like, there was, like, mad people on the streets. Yeah. But, yeah.
Bunch of turn-up chicks there, too.
Now have I no clothes, bro? As I'm telling you, like, guys,
I got that snap with that girl in the lace.
I need that. I think I need those for the vlog.
I gotta. I'm gonna find it. It's in here.
Ooh. Guys, I know y'all saw that. Well, you didn't see it, but I caught a mosquito.
Yeah, I gotta save them. They won't be trying to be crazy with the saving right now. Let's save everything.
Please. So yeah, we're just chilling right now. Tonight is Champions in Action song class. Black Color versus Ricky Trooper.
So it's like a whole team against one person.
Yeah, but he's good though. He's really good. So guys, I'm trying to like, I need to charge up my phone because my phone can't dead tonight, like, because it's gonna be wicked. Because I want to catch everything, because this should go on YouTube. It's gonna be live, right, Anthony?
Liddy. No, I'm lame. I don't care. That's fine.
No, chill.
Sure.
Chris said wake him up at 7:30. I think I was gonna wake him up at 8.
7:30. What time you gotta go to the place?
We could go at any time. We could go late because the war starts late. So we'll talk to you guys later. So later.
I want some water.
Bye. Hi guys. Hold on. So we're going to the song clash now. Chris is trying to get some of his friends to go with him. The more the merrier. So we're in 2 separate cars. So I'm gonna cut him on and drop off. So yeah. So right now I'm the one in my car and I feel bored. So we're just here. I have to drive all the way to Retrieve, bro. So that's what's happening. So when we reach there, I'll let you guys know.
Pick up a sense still. I have to do, I have to talk, I want to do something without the kick up. When you come out to the ring back this time, you run that boat here. Ring it down proper. Yes, sir. Anyway, pick up yourself with the people. You don't know 2 sound in the place. I know the promotion around by the radio. Trophy look pretty now, blood plate. Now we're going to get it. Trophy look pretty, not tell a lie. Dantes, how over trophy? Who does have a trophy in my morning?
Hold on.
A black color trophy? A trooper trophy? Well, I know. I know so when the glass done in the morning. A black color don't walk over the trophy, make some nice from here. Alright, second of all, trooper, you see what is important in the dance, I know. You see? Good. I know so when the dance done, a trooper don't walk over the trophy, make some nice. Clock. Well, only know. You want to go on. We're there for a reason. Oh, I'm coming to the soup. I want to. Oh, step to yourself. Step to yourself, trooper. Step to yourself, trooper. I'm going to introduce the sound. Oh, step to yourself. I'm playing. I'm a blood clot. Stop. Thank you, Almighty. Here I go, people. Almighty. And I saw me son, and I saw me blood clot name. You have to check my urine, so you want to take your link me. Suck yourself, trooper. Suck yourself. People, how can I say trophy dance? Me and a trophy dance. See, because of the blood clot clash, me a clash. I'm going to come and tell about the alpha one, this side, that's a rare. A trophy. So, right now, black colors, take it away. Black colors. Yeah. going up, people. But everything good. See? Let's choke on that. And check the fuck. But you want to go on now, see? First light man, don't make Chupa get the car. And I tell them, look how much woman there, I like their shine from them. Don't make Chupa tell them on turn down light already. It's Chupa. Next thing Chupa goes to trophy. The trophy look better than Chupa, you stink like. The fuck man with you. Relax you. You want to go on now, big up the general, anyone stand up. And this man is black colors and Panama Ray and Batty thing. You think you love mad boy. How are you, man? You want one cracker, so split sitting for me. Split sitting for me. You get sitting for people, yeah?
This is too romantic today. Lotion alongside the Twitter, man.
Sit some for play, listen what I'm going now. Go on stage there, go work it.
Yeah, I'm play by Black Colors.
How you come to see sound that early light away at the door? Quick and fast. Don't be Chupa, this is Black Colors. Suck your mama. Hey! Afraid pussy, I'm a boy. Try. Yeah, man, I feel. Oh, I ain't doing nothing like us. Cause you can't see Black Colors on my table. Because for yesterday, oh, no. Next thing you saw, big like a dark shit, you saw me play ugly man. So you pussy man pushing. Pussy, I got chopped on them and got this batty boy. I don't know that one.
To the skin, fast and eat something.
I don't know that one.
Don't stick it down.
What is?
Big London back.
Let me tell you this, son of 3.5-year-old pussy. And here we go and cartel their jail. Good while now, Rick Gaza General, big him up. You can go and chop off him out about cartel. Big up all the 90s, we have something deep in your head tonight. And then we go suck your woman and tongue. How you feel like?
Black Colors songs are the continue people. You don't know Mark, same colors, Gully, don't say.
Nobody's really thinking more.
We'll see you like that.
Want you?
I'm just say when you're feeling like this, all you want, since the man is out.
The general, say pussy off of them.
All the man is out.
And so we go and play the artist. We got to do a trade.
Black Colors.
How are you like this? What's up, bro, baby? I understand from here, so you can dance with the belly. So the belly, when they fuck you out.
Black Colors,
But in a counter. When we have counteraction, the every blood killer counteraction. You understand me?
They never know. Like a lesson you have the title.
All who's the black one, put up your way. Put them up.
Say that we and that we have the title.
What's the one that counteract this back in the world? You can't put your hand on me. You can't put your hand on me. One thing I tell you, remember this, you know. Someone remember this, you know. See? Someone remember this. Youth. The owner from black colors. Control your support of them. Because one thing about you. You, remember, come here. Any disrespect reach me, you are responsible. Remember that, yeah? Stop chatting. The God of them people, the neutral people, I call this a crush. Blood clot. All the dress, boy. I will say it again. All of them hungry. All of them bad for son and nothing of a case of things.
We gonna kill till your life is zero. Walk over us to the whole of a gangster. We every fucking thing they told the truth. A girl is up the caca. Them no say we not friend. We walk up and us. Them no say we not laugh. That all is not the king. I want to you and to show you. I'm waiting to kill you. Galabano, the remember say that's my this and bad this the matter people are copy them. We are the answer. Black colors for the men to put. We are the answer. Think them bad them a kingdom them give them traffic gun. The juvenile can always power well up with gun. Gunny, they give for that your gun. The all who's a battle boy trooper for them. You know some black colors song.
What's the name of the business? No.
Hear me. But son always I forget to fight. Some son are dead in the love tonight. And I'll make it over here.
People are in the trooper.
I shut them out to see a damn king. Black colors want them no say I'm king.
We're going to follow you. We're going to play the woman style. Watch out. Push the weapon and balance combination and roll! What's the forward?
Black colors! Kill them fall down the side, so general I want to them. Yo! Father colors! Collie! I want them boy to feel.
Let me show you the blood clot from the forward.
Let's fall on!
Push the weapon forward.
Fall on, me kill me.
What's up?
When you see colors, I'm not so cute. This is the way Black colors! Kill them fall down the side, so general I want to them.
What's the spot?
Collie! feel like. We let them worry one time down.
Pussy have a done.
Nigel, it's all out, Nikhil, Nigel.
Where you come from Spanish town, you go vanish town.
No must be it. Kingston, you're fucking it.
Tuck it tied up in a seven. Tuck it tied up in a seven. Tuck it tied up in a seven.
Only one time bowler. Where's my love? Nikhil, it's all out, Nikhil, Nigel.
All of the push up the butt, take it on like that. Don't be afraid.
Stop it. Look. First thing, you're coming out with some blood clot. 2 days now, blood clot, 7 days now, that talk about Gaza. Play a new card, everybody. Everybody will say, we say we use and kill them, we play a new song with them down. So you can't play a new card, a new budget. They say, you're pussy. Be a chat, not to go out to play. Right now, when you fever, beat up with blood clot. Fever, when you say, fucking father. Sure!
Black color sound, and I say color business in a polo, DJ Sex, Rastafari and rule. Peace! Circle and see some of the champion. This is the original Granny from Spanish Town, Jamaica. Black color sound. Original one is gone from murder, just find black color sound. Black colors are the roughest machine, we run Jamaica. From Jamaica to Jamaica. And keep